Hey guys, welcome back to Sue's Dumpster, and I think you can tell from the title what this is, and I am very, very, very scared. This is a package from Domenica-chan. Go follow her, go subscribe to her, because she is amazing, and I am so scared for my life right now. Especially, I've seen what Irel got, and like, I saw like a little spoilery on stickers and I'm like really scared. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I got this open and thankfully she made it really easy to open. And tape isn't that bad. And oh, oof, oh my gosh, oh geez. Okay, we're gonna start with the note because that's like, whoa, oh my gosh, you guys, it's sparkly. It's sparkly. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. So it says warmest wishes for a wonderful friend. Let's celebrate it's here once more. The special season worth waiting for. When hearts are happy, hope is new, and all that's good is wish for you. Ah, that's so cute. That's such a cute card. And oh, and she says, Merry Christmas, Sue. Whether this present is late or on time. I hope it arrives safely and that you have a wonderful Christmas. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this present and that you tie a bunch. No. And it's love, Domenica. Meep. Oh no. Okay, I'm already scared. I was already scared, but now I'm like freaking out, you guys. Like, don't tell me to die, Domenica. That's really mean. How dare you, as a friend? But oh my gosh, I love this card. It's so pretty. I will definitely get you back. And also, your gift arrived just on time. Today's the 22nd. I know you're seeing this in like January, which I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna get you back on time. It's gonna be a late Christmas gift, but trust me, I'll get you. Okay, so I'm assuming that we're keeping the special gift for last. So let's start with number 1. Okay. Ah, these are cute. Oh, the washi tape. Shiny. Okay. Oh, I feel bad like ripping the wrapping of it. Let's see if I could just do it like this. Like, oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, I see plastic. Oh, more. Oh my god. Stickers, guys. She posted this on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, Domenica, don't send these to me. It's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Oh, and this Pokemon cards. Oh my gosh. Look, she made a Mew sticker, and she made a Lapras, and she also made an Eevee. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. I'm gonna like put them on my sketchbook maybe? I don't know. I think I might just stick it on my wall so that I don't have to like stick the backs onto anything. And so like if I ever want to move it, I can still move it and it's not gonna be stuck there forever. Oh, these are so great. Thank you so much, Domenica. And then there is some Pokemon cards. Ooh, I gotta add some to my collection. It's Whismur, Lotad, and Monferno. Oh, these are so cool. I haven't collected Pokemon cards in forever. These are awesome. Oh my gosh. You know, like back in like elementary school, I used to like kind of have a Pokemon card black market going on. Well, we all kind of did. And so like we all used to deal each other Pokemon cards. And then people would like get ripped off and stuff. I don't know. Sorry. Just let's get back on track. That's what it reminds me of. And then, okay, next scene, it's Artsu. Oh wait, am I supposed to like guess the characters? Am I? I'm going to do it anyways, cause this is Kuro. I'm pretty sure this is Kuro, and I've drawn her. It's Echo, right? Her name's Echo, so this is Echo. All right. I'm pretty sure it's Echo. If I'm wrong, please correct me, Domenica. I'm already really bad with names, so if I'm like screwing up other people's names, then other like your OC's names, I'm so sorry. Okay. Next. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh no. I have a feeling I know. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's Aizawa! Oh my god, I spit on it. Oh my god, she made a kitty, Aizawa! And he's in his sleeping bag. Oh my god, it's my boy. Oh, he's Catman. He has become a cat. He already was. Now he's even greater. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's okay, I'm sorry. This is really bad for my health right now. Oh my gosh, okay, Todoroki and Aizawa as cats, like, what are you doing? I knew, like, you were gonna do something when you asked my favorite characters from My Hero Academia, but, like, you just took my favorite characters and added cat ears. That's, like, you're the worst. Why do you want to kill me like that? Oh my god, okay, and Hide! Oh my god! Oh, this is such a cute chibi style. Oh my god! It's my boy! He's like the only like OC that I still really draw a lot. But like I'm trying to like get all my OC's love, but it's so hard because I have so many now. But oh my gosh, it's Hide, it's my boy. He's going to the Hide corner, adding to Mochi's harem because no one draws Mochi except for Nahiko. So like I get to add like all the Hides to Mochi's harem. It's great. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to add him over there. Oh my god, thank you so much, Domenica. Oh, I'm like, now I'm just kind of scared because like all of these, like you should have just sent me these. I don't deserve any of this stuff. I don't, because I am so late with your gifts, and your gifts not even gonna arrive till like, I don't know when, because it's like the stuff that I wanted to make, I want to make everyone for Christmas didn't arrive. So, that's fun. And now I feel really bad, but I'm gonna get you back. Trust me, I will get you back. Oh wait, I was supposed to do the OC game, right? Wait, who is this? Domenica, help! Who is this OC? Is she your OC? I know it's not Domenica, right? It can't be. Domenica has like a scarf. I'm so confused. You should tell me who this is, and I'll like get you back, and I'll draw like 20 of her. Oh my god, it's Pokemon. Oh, is this like one of those little like? No, you didn't. No. Oh my god, you got me Eevee. What is this? Oh my god, I have to. Oh my gosh, I need to open this. Okay, wait, 1 sec. Be right back. Okay, got them all open. Oh, these are so cool. I already have like a couple, but oh my gosh, I never found an Eevee one. I'm so excited. Look how cute Eevee is. Oh my gosh, he's so tiny and chubby. And then there's a little wheelbarrow. I feel like I'm becoming a toy channel right now. This is like my like 2-second toy channel. And these are just so cute. Like, look at Eevee. Look at her. Look at him. Not as cute as the Eevee you drew though. Domenica, the biggest MVP. Okay, I admit defeat. But I also want to be like, look, I had this one, and like, what the heck? And I also had the Pikachu one. So like, how did you like just get one that I didn't have? Like, what the heck? That's crazy. That's awesome. Like, wow. You have like telekinesis, or like you just stalked me. Like, and I was like, oh, that's awkward. Okay, anyways, thank you so much. I have a defeat, but defeat means I'm just gonna improve next time and kill you even more. So watch out, Domenica, because I'm coming for you. Alright, anyways, let's recap. So she gave me 3 stickers that are like the most adorable like Pokemon stickers ever. Oh, there's a lot of Pokemon this time. And then there's like this little Eevee playset that's adorable. Oh my gosh. And then ooh, excuse me there. And then there is probably my favorite of them all is this. This Aizawa is like beautiful. I love him. Oh my gosh. He's going on my wall. He's gonna be like just chilling. Gonna just be like watching me. Be like, hey Isa, I want to be like you too. Just sleep all day. And then there's Todoroki. And then there's the two Hides. Oh my god, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Domenica. Oh, and there was this beautiful card that was really sparkly because sparkles. Thank you so much, Domenica. Also, if like this is one of your OCs, please tell me because I'm blanking on names right now. But yeah, thank you so much, Domenica. Thank you. I can't like you're crazy. You're awesome. You're crazy awesome. And I'm so thankful to have a friend like you because you're so great. I will definitely get you back next time though. But so watch out because I'm coming. I'm coming for you, okay? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. And the wheelbarrow just fell. And I hope to see you in my next video. So bye guys! But there's like 3 mochis, okay? And then there's like 20 Hides. We're adding more Hides to the Hide corner. So we're gonna do that. Watch out, and I'm gonna put this in the next vlog.